Greetings and welcome to Message Media Ed, School of Black Leadership in the Digital Age. My name is Shawnee Byard, and I'm the founder and executive director of Message Media Ed. I founded this organization in 2008 with the goal of advancing our entire village, youth, adults, and seniors. We are an education and professional development learning center here in South Los Angeles. And our goal is to close the digital divide and advance innovation and leadership in the African American community. We create unique opportunities for youth, adults, and seniors to come and build skills in multimedia literacy, technology, leadership, and what makes us unique is that we integrate culture education throughout all of our workshops and events, both to counter the negative media stereotypes of African Americans and also to make up for the exclusion of cultural education in our traditional schooling system. At Message Media Ed, there are 4 essential components for Black leadership in the digital age. 1 is to be culturally conscious, to be awake in your culture, to contribute to your culture, to know where you come from and where you're going. 2, to be media literate, to understand how to read the media, to learn how to think critically about media, to learn how to disconnect from the influence media has on our community, our self-image, the way we see our potential in life, and then to learn the tools at the same time to produce more authentic media so that we counter negative media stereotypes. 3 is to be technologically proficient, and for the more mature members of our community, technologically familiar at the very least. At Message Media Ed, you can take advantage of building skills in everything from computer operation, everything from turning the computer on to getting online, also internet navigation, all social media platforms, learning how to market your business via social media, learning how to share knowledge via social media, also gadgetry, texting, also emailing. 4, to be visionary, to be able to see the world and your role in it as a representative of the African American community. These 4 components are the foundation of all of the workshops and events that we have here. It's also extremely important to us that all members of our community become culturally conscious role models and meaningful participants in the digital landscape. So all of our workshops culminate with the production of some sort of media, whether it's books, video podcasts, or online portfolios. We wouldn't be able to achieve our goal of closing the digital divide and advancing innovation and leadership in the African American community without offering professional development and staff development for educators and parents. We provide culturally relevant staff development opportunities for credentialed teachers and non-credentialed teachers, schools, and educational organizations. Check us out on the web at www.messagemediaed.org. Become a member and take part in a new educational revolution for the 21st century. Signing off. Peace.